English, Unit 1, Poem 1, A Pretty Game. Let us read the poem. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn will try to chase the other from its hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So students, like you and me, even nature play games. Students, the question here, do nature play indoor games or outdoor games? What do you think? Right, outdoor games. They play outdoor games. How? Natural things are seen in the surrounding. Sun, rain, wind, moon, clouds. These are all natural things. We can see them in our surroundings. Yes or no? So, what do you do when you want to see a sun? Yes, you look out of the window up above the sky. What do you do when you want to get wet in the rain? Yes, you go out of your house. Have you ever seen sun and the rain playing hide and seek together? No, you haven't seen. See students, the sun and the rain plays hide and seek together. So many times we have seen. Numerous times we have seen, especially during summer season. In the month of May you can say, or in the beginning of June, before 15th of June you can see. How to know they are playing hide and seek together? See, when somebody asks you, what about the weather at your place? How do you reply? My God, it's raining since morning. I haven't seen the sun. God knows where it is hiding. Yes? Sometimes you say, I haven't seen the rain since 1 week. The sun is shining bright and we are feeling so hot. God knows where the rain is hiding. Where he has gone. Yes or no? Students, the question here. Do you play hide and seek? Yes, everybody plays. And what your mother says, if you are playing hide and seek, go out of the house. Nobody will hide inside. You may break things. Yes, your mother says? Okay. So, let's begin our poem. Unit 1, Poem 1, A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Meaning of fickle, something that changes quickly. Here, what is changing quickly? Yes, the weather is changing quickly. How? Sometimes it rains. Sometimes it is sunny. It is hot. Yes? So, explanation. The sun and the rain in the quickly changing weather were playing hide and seek together. And each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Meaning of chase. Run after somebody to catch that person. So, how do you play hide and seek? One friend counts by closing his eyes. Rest will hide. Then, turn by turn, other one will count by closing his eyes again. Rest will hide. In this way, we play hide and seek. Yes or no? Same way, turn by turn, the sun and the rain are playing hide and seek together. The one is chasing the other from its hiding place. So let's read this poetry again. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. I have already told you the meaning of fickle. And each in turn will try to chase. Again, I have told you the meaning of chase. The other from its hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Explanation. Finally, after their game is over, what is seen in the sky, students? Yes, a beautiful rainbow is seen in the sky. Here, and lo, a word is given, and lo. Here we can say, and lo means And see who has come. And see who has arrived. Meaning of spanned, spread from one end to the other. These meanings are already there in the textbook, students. You can see here. So, when their game is over, a beautiful rainbow is seen up above in the sky. So, students, at last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. A rainbow is seen from one end to the other end. Students, I hope these stanzas are clear to you. Let's read the poem once again. Unit 1, Poem 1, A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in the fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. And each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Students, I hope you understood this poem. Thank you.